Well, were you transmitting?
I was trying. When I match up on the easy meter loop, I only put out about 40 watts. The tuner eats up a little bit of the power. But was you not hearing nothing? I think I was dead on 2400.
Yeah, I didn't hear a thing. Yeah, 40 watts and being on horizontal, me being on vertical, that's probably not going to work.
Yeah, probably not. Did you try transmitting at all?
Yeah, we're fine.
Yeah, I couldn't hear nothing. So, I don't know. Just wasn't going to work. Yeah, I mean, a 10 meter vertical, halfway vertical should be like nothing. I should just go make me one. But I mean, I'm building a 2 meter collinear out in the workshop right now. I haven't finished it up. I need to get it done because I want to get off this, right now I'm on a antenna. And I noticed that the SWR is kind of creeping up in this weather, so I need to get up there and do something to it. If I can get some kind of beam going, horizontal beam. I mean, I made myself a 2 meter beam. It's a 4-element 2 meter beam sitting right out here. I've used it in mobile use because I use a piece of 1.25 inch PVC pipe that I've rigged up to hold the beam up, and that fits perfectly in one of the stakes that holds in my pickup truck. And a couple times I've been out on, out in the truck and out places and used it, and it seemed to work really, really well. So it's tuned down real nice. I made out of half-inch EMT conduit and 1/4 inch copper water line, like for your ice maker on your fridge. And it seems to work really, really well.
Yeah, this little 3 meter beam works pretty well too. Of course, the 3 meter guy, works pretty well. Of course, it doesn't have the rejection and 8-element wood.
Mine's a little 4, and when I've had it like sitting here and I've tested it, I'll hear like Brad at CGH, and I'll spin it around and point the back end of it at him, and he goes away. It goes away completely. Like if we're doing simplex. If I beam towards him, he comes in good strong S9, spin him, 90 degrees off, okay, he cuts down, off the side, and turn it around the backside to him, and he gets down to a whisper, which is nice to be able to do to Brad, you talk to Brad, I'm sure he's listening, he's sitting there cracking up. Anyway, but yeah, I just need to get out there, now that it's cooler, and I can get out of my workshop and clean it up and keep working out there. Maybe I'll have a few more things, a few more items coming out of the workshop. K5 KTF ready.
KD5 SBY.
Ready, yeah. I need to clean my ham shack up. I'm always doing things, changing things around, and of course, I'm a new ham. I got my license on the 15th of July, and I thought I'd, plug in a 2 meter radio, power supply and an antenna, and I'd be good to go, which I was. But I wasn't satisfied with that. I had to start building and making it nice and convenient and all that. Which it is, and I could use a little bit bigger table, but I know what I got. I had to build a shelf for it. But yeah, I started on the project. I got to reroute my I got to reroute my coax out to a more appropriate port outside the house.
KD5SBY.
Out through a window right now, which closes most of the way, close enough doesn't let the water in. We had another station in there that doubled on you. It was trying to break in. Other station, go ahead. This is K5 KTF.
KD5SBY. Hey, congratulations on your new amateur radio license.
Well, thank you very much. It's nice still getting congrats after this time, but very nice. I think I'll always consider myself new.
Yeah, I started back in 2002, and I'm still trying to work everything out. I'm trying to become a general, so but anyway, yeah, I just wanted to hop in there and say congratulations on that. And does anybody know where I can get a piece of RG8 for my copper cactus?
Well, online, of course. I think Bantam Electronics, I think they can order it for you. They don't stock it. That's only... I think Austin Ham Supply still has it.
Okay, because yeah, I was having some trouble with my base station. It would go, it would transmit, but I wouldn't get any receive from the radio. So I think that my old RG8 is gone bad, or a connection came loose in there or something.
And the other gentleman, SD5 or KD5 something. I'm sorry, I missed it. The gym up here in Sandy Park, K5 KTF. We're gonna check out for a minute.
Okay, yeah, 73. This is KD5SBY mobile, still here.
Yeah, KD5SBY. Don't know if we spoke before or not, but I've never seen my log anyway. May I get your first name, sir?
Name on this end is Dallas, Delta Alpha, Lima, Lima Alpha, Sierra.
Well, I have talked to a gentleman named Dallas, but I'm sure there's more than one or two in this world. Yeah, RG8, I think they still have it, and we're going to real easy check the website. I just pulled up Fox News. They have a headline that says Family Electrocuted putting up a radio antenna. Haven't read that yet. Let's see. The AARS website, and see if there's something still on their list.
Yeah, I mean, it's dangerous business putting up radio antennas, especially if you do not know what you're doing. And me, I'd say, you know, here in Round Rock, a Ringo Ranger and a copper cactus on a 10-foot pole would, you know, do just fine.
Yeah, we do great. Those J-poles do work. I've got one up built for 2 meters. And you know, I scanned the internet for a while for plans, and I found many different ones. The main difference was the spacing between the quarter wave and the 5/8 wave element. And I was thinking that there's got to be a calculation or a standard for it, and I found there's one that I believe and trying to be correct, and I built that, and I put the feed point where they said to start out with. And Dallas, I want to tell you something, that thing didn't need to be tuned. It did not need to be tuned. Put that thing up, SWRs were 1.3 or better. across the band.
Well, that's good. Yeah, because yeah, you follow those plans right, you're going to be set. And I mean that because my friend KD5RRB here in Round Rock actually built this copper cactus for me, and I still appreciate it. I just need a piece of Romex, and I mean a piece of cable for it, and then I'll be able to have a base station.